As FBI issues warning about cybercriminals tampering with quick response codes to steal consumers' login, financial information, and money, I, Akanksha, this week Friday brings some myths and facts about QR codes and how to beware of fake QR codes. Before we get into the nitty gritty, let's know what QR codes are and why they are becoming popular. Invented in 1994 by the Japanese company Denso Wave, QR codes are the black and white square barcode that can encode kanji, kana, and alphanumeric characters. The initial uptake of QR codes was slow. However, in 2002, when the first mobile phones containing built-in QR readers were marketed in Japan, an increase in the number of companies using QR codes was recorded. And with time, the numbers only went high as the coronavirus prompted and the need for touchless transactions was demanded. QR codes became prevalent. Using your phone's camera, you can scan a code to discover what's on a restaurant menu or what the next bus is due. Or you can also show a QR code on your smartphone screen to board an airline or join a sporting event. The codes can also be found in direct mail advertisements and retail locations. You will also see QR codes on the packaging of consumer items. Due to this, crooks started looking for ways to manipulate the QR codes and they are altering both digital and physical QR codes and replacing them with malicious code. This modification offers access to your mobile device, revealing your location and allowing hackers to access your personal and financial information. The latest example of this is Heinz QR code scam. Therefore, when trying to make a payment using a QR code, always keep the following points in your mind. Do not download an app from a QR code. Instead, use your phone's app store. Avoid downloading a QR code scanner app. Use most phones' built-in scanners in their cameras. Call the company to verify if you have recently bought something and receive an email saying the payment failed and are asked to complete the payment through a QR code. Locate the company's phone number from a trusted site, not the phone number given in the email. Register a complaint if you believe your funds have been stolen from an altered QR code. Danger behind the QR codes. As QR code searches, threat actors embed malicious URLs into legitimate QR codes, launching attacks. The most common security risks with QR codes are malware attacks, phishing attacks, bugs in QR codes, financial theft, revealing location, phone number, social media profile, and much more. Well, you have to keep things in mind before scanning a QR code. These things are: scan QR codes of trusted sources only, use QR scanners that display site URLs, remember to never click on suspicious hyperlinks or download suspicious attachments when eyeballing a QR code. You should avoid suspicious QR codes which can take you to the weird websites or sites that are created to look safe but are nothing but trouble. Do not believe a QR code that was allegedly emailed to you by a friend whose account may have been stolen or that appears in a text, online post, or postal piece. Instead, open a browser and go to a website with a domain name you're familiar with. Avoid using a QR code. Use different payment options less prone to fraud. QR codes may appear to be innocuous, but not least since the code's purpose is undetectable to the human eye. So trust your instincts. Don't use a code that is taped to the edge of a napkin dispenser and appears suspicious. Regularly update your device's security and use security tools like SysTweak anti-malware. These examples clearly show cybersecurity issues are constantly rising, especially with coronavirus spread. As the world is shifting towards digitization, criminals are coming up with innovative attack vectors to exploit people and organizations alike. QR code risks and threats are other examples of using things. Therefore, the best way to stay safe amidst these issues is to remain vigilant and updated with the latest tech news. On this note, I, Akanksha, take your leave until the next week, and we promise to meet you with another exciting topic. If you want us to uncover something for you, let us know. We love hearing from you and seeing your comments.